What's up, y'all? So today, this is something I should have done like 3 years ago, 2 years ago, however long. But basically, my rear bumper has been broke, dented in for like 2 years already, and I just have never replaced it. But finally today, I got a new rear bumper. It's black, and it looked like it got repaired before, but you know, it's better than this putazo right here. This has been here forever, but finally, I got a new rear bumper. I'm gonna install that today, and I think I'm gonna install my 05, 06 taillights because I'm gonna have to take the taillights out to get to the bumper anyways. I don't even know how to take it out, but I'm gonna just try to figure it out and see what happens. Man, my junkyard spares and axles all jacked, everything. Anyways, so to take off the rear taillights, you gotta take off these little nuts off of these on both sides, and then just unclip it out of there. So I'm gonna do that right quick. And just like that, taillights are out. So now I guess I gotta somehow figure out where I gotta go all in there. I've never done this before, so try to figure this out. Alright, so I figured it out. You can't go through here. You actually go through the trunk, and if you can see that right there, that one right there, those are like a couple of those all down the bumper, and I need to get in there and take those off. Alright, so old bumper is off. The new bumper is right here. I took off the little the bracket for the light. Oh god, even though the bulb is out. Ugh, I gotta replace that bulb. But anyways, new bumper right here. I'm about to fit it up and just make sure it's good. And here we are, the new bumper is on. You could tell this is the 05, 06 year because of the way like this comes down and it like connects. I mean, the other one is similar but different. Like, oh, and it has the little this little button for the trunk. This is for 05, so yeah, but I mean, it looks way better than that freaking dent. And then once it's all one color, it'll look nice again. So now I'm gonna go over here and grab a taillight. These are just literally just plug and play. So this is the left. Put it right here in the left, and it fits good. Now I'm gonna just plug it up, but I'm not gonna put it all the way in, just in case like it doesn't work or something, like the lights or whatever. So plug it up and then test to see if it actually works. Alright, so I just tested them both and they both work. So what I'm gonna do now is just bolt them all up, and then yeah, they'll be done. It's crazy, this has the, like, this is on the same spot where mine is dented, but it's good. Got the tail lights on. It looks totally different. I do have the reverse lights right here, but I didn't feel like doing that. I mean, I already had it all. I should have just done it, but it's all right. it looks so different. Like, I don't know, it looks totally different. But these taillights are sick. It looks like a baby GTR. But yeah, so I don't know how long this video is, but pretty quick. Get straight to the point. Let's say you take your rear bumper off and then put the taillights on. Yeah, so wrap is coming soon. Have more stuff to put on. I do have this little kit. This is for the rear bumper, and then those are the side skirts. I don't know how I'm gonna get this on, because this thing is like, it's so like, it doesn't fit at all, and it's fiberglass. And then I know I'm gonna have to trim this bumper in certain areas. So yeah, once I put that on, this bumper is gonna have to get cut somehow. So not really looking forward to that, but we'll see what happens. So I still have a video that I'm gonna make that's gonna be dealing with the hood. I still have to cut the hood, get that still good. What else I need to do? I don't remember what else I need to do, but I'll make a video when I figure it out. So